it's time to listen to our favorite neighborhood Sufi. That's Rumi. This poem is another of his poems from selections of the Mathnawi in the Pocket Rumi. This poem is called When a Man and a Woman Become One. I darkened my eyes with the dust of sadness until each of them was a sea full of pearls. All the tears which we creatures shed for him are not tears as many think, but pearls. I am complaining about the soul of the soul, but I'm no complainer. I'm simply saying how it is. My heart tells me it is distressed with him, but I can only laugh at such pretended injuries. Be fair, you, who are the glory of the just, you, soul, free of we and I, subtle spirit within each man and woman. When a man and a woman become one, that one is you. And when that one is obliterated, there you are. Where is this we and this I? By the side of the beloved, you made this we and this I in order that you might play this game of courtship with yourself, that all yous and I's might become one soul and finally drown in the beloved. All this is true. Come, you who are the creative word, be. You so far beyond description. Is it possible for the bodily eye to see you? Can thought comprehend your laughter or grief? Tell me now, can it possibly see you at all? Such a heart has only borrowed things to live with. The garden of love is green without limit and yields many fruits other than sorrow or joy. Love is beyond either condition. Without spring, without autumn, it is always fresh. I think we'll leave it at that. Beautiful poem by Rumi. Thank you for listening.